Gopola sehlopha seo se bitšago Seabank. Moetapele wa sona Jenny Burton. Bad habit, baby.
Ora un po' le be grabona. Le mutile merego, bega non so cos'è.
Engaze ivethi uvoice lapha. Jenny Burton.
Yona, elinjile ke namthatha le.
Tswyza!
Yes,
Yo!
the brother.
Oh, man.
Korbe le re ba sa tshepe go tloga frogere tsomalana re bolela re tle berna le wena ka mo aba tshepe gore o gona.
And I go on, I share with you
Yeah.
fitlile. And I'm a local, so I mean,
Yeah.
get a little podcast with him.
Bona wona mo hae mara.
I want to go Pretoria. Na re ka
Oh, dai dai mo dai.
Re ka di desa go Pretoria.
Ona na ro tsoko ai ba bang ba ro tsoko Alex.
Ah, ba no amohela.
O tswa ga mang mo gae mo?
Ke motho wa khomo.
Oh,
Yeah. And then I get in apart.
es ka mo tswa makotsi la tare le
Ah,
mo.
mother danger.
Wa tswa ke khatlhakeng. O tswa lo ke ngwana le ba khomo ifelo
Yeah.
tso pedina phaka le ba khomo e ra cancel.
Oh,
Wa bana bana ba
tswa-
tswa le ba khomo ba re sa banyaka ka mo studio. Ka mo tsho tswa le ba khomo e ke. So le ba khomo le klele.
Ah, Kasali originals.
Ke ka sia makasi, ka sia ka.
Hey, okay. Ka sia manyora ke aka ke mokopadi ke
Yeah.
ba pele re.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm going to
Serious?
Yeah.
Ah, bona ona re dimpintshi tsa go kasi.
Why bona danger?
Ra wa mogela go ditlalemeso tsa Thobela FM.
Ah, it's been a pleasure, and thanks for having me. Yo.
Yeah.
Bona Tswyza batho ba sa tsebeng gore bolela le manga ba tsebe ke Mrekza ke generations the legacy ba bang ba tsebe gore re gona go kgaogantša Tswyza le Mrekza
Yeah.
ya ba wena o tlile ka tse ka moka o
Yeah.
tlile wa pere dikapitše ka baka la gore o mo dira gae
Yeah.
ebile o tlile o dira weshe ka mo bona re tlile o dira ro tsopolla re dira di weshe re botse re nyakang ka mo studio mo motho ba mo province
Ah, ne kwetsile dranyana fela ke re ke le bone.
Yeah.
Sure, ne re tsebane. Yeah, because I think there's nothing worse than being a local mara batho bona ganela outside of your province.
Yeah.
So ne ke re at least ke tsebishe.
Batho ba o tsebe, o tswa kae.
Yeah, o re dirang.
Na ba ba botse leina la gago la nnete ka gore na le la mo Tswyza tšetša a ke tsore a tswa kae maina bua.
ba bang shetse ba mo theile tsopolla
Ah, re tle re itre. Ke kope, magae, ke Tswyza, ke Mrekza.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So re tle re le ndresh re company.
Le village.
Yeah.
tsamaya le wena le litere
Nale. Yeah, no, mara ke kope, Lawrence Magae.
Yeah.
Le yena mthako wa je nepo ke tsene le yena sekolo.
Oh.
bana.
Ko mo tšo go koka. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bana kope o dira tlhakatlhakano ka ra industry tlhomone gore o dira weshe rena re bitsa weshe re botse re o tshwere jwang so far
Well, bona, what's about we sell an elusive type of industry, you know, we sell dreams, we sell a certain picture. We love as far as my personal life, as far as the industry, we love I'm still learning, I'm still climbing, but once again, I think humility is the most important aspect of our industry because it's easy about to balakere, you know what I mean? Yeah. But otherwise, you know what, hard work always in a little returns, you know. So I've invested in myself, and I'm reaping the fruits of my investment and my hard work.
Ke dilo ke go lebelela nako entšhi go tswelela kae ka pa kae ka ba gae ka ba televisioneng go lo le styling o dio tshwanela o bia kantšwe ka mokgwa maleba o na le mengwaga me kae o le ka gare ga industry
The industry maybe my 15 years. Because khale ke ntse ke zula ke ntse ke le mo gae mo. So ka di weekend ne ke ikutswanyana ke na bela ke re thr ke wa gape so I think I'll give it 15 and some change. So khale o zuli
15 years le change
gona le batho ba no tsebang industry ba re ke dog industry wena wa tsenelela gore ke di edit ko wena gore ra re ke drama ko wena ra re ke music ko wena and no tseka mo go di dira 100% o khona jwang
ma tsentse o hume ma mara bo le fase
yeah
you know what I get about the master of none what king
check of all trades
the check of all trades
master of none
yeah I've managed to reduce everything to media or whether ke biasagiti ke acting ke music or whatever because they are complementary so now I just put my best foot forward. I work really hard. I mind my business first and foremost and I know what I'm looking for. A lot of people babalenga mo industry I don't believe they know who they are and what they're about and what they're looking for. Hence ukakra batho ba tletse social media, the red carpet, but they still don't have a core brand. Understand? Yeah. So it's important to know what you want, and what where you are, and where you're going, and what you're selling. Most importantly, So now I just mind my business, but I still retain myself. I'm still myself. I will never change, not for anybody or any bug.
On a limino wa gatisha dikosha.
Yes.
Na ke eng se o se ratang go fetishisha mara ga tšo pedi bile ke eng se le go bona ke bokamoso bja sona a boka se fellela gona jwalo.
Yeah, I've said this in a rhyme before. I don't know. I'm not an actor who raps. I am a rapper who acts.
Oh yeah. Oh
yeah. So putting pen to paper, putting words into a flow, or writing on a beat and so forth. That is my ultimate core. Yeah. So music will always be my first love.
Okay.
Yeah.
Agro
Mara jolo ngwa pero mateki le mongatso wa utala di pente be re ntse di pente kae mara. Ke le bula ga go ba go diragala.
Oh, wena ba mhlanganiso. I don't want something nice. I just think I compliment the Yeah, so I think it's also supporting local.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nkamuchi ananule Isaac re tloga mo.
Yeah.
A ke wa tsara kae?
Le lata mo fresha.
A re lata mo fresha.
Mo fresha ka le Limpopo.
A re lata mo fresha. Ba ka le belang go wena a tšetšile le gore go University of Limpopo.
You know what? I was called in to do a motivation. That's why I'm a local to the core. Because I did media studies that side. So can you fella knowledge? But the most important thing about the way Nike motivator. And sometimes you know about li 20 ka mo 10 ka phumele understand then go on batho ba tja dilo se ba spiti nyana because if you say to all 20 hey, you know life is roses believe in yourself so jale ba botsa re bona go sure ka kwa o fita glasgow chai
and o dira go se go botsa nnete because bana ba batho bana bo dira first year le boletse Mrekza abatse bo re gona le bo Mrekza le bo Lenity le bo Isaac le bo khumotso ba ile gore ba tore baby tla ko office mpe
and abatse gore ba fatela di follow
exactly
le text ona le slay queen tse di ka phasamisha mo yeah so tshwantse o tishe o bophe o thandaza
rata nnete o ba botsanyana ba tsena ba tseba nnete
o dangerous ka montlo yeah
o tsara nna theke sa morateleng yona ke fe ke karolo ya bapala go generations the legacy ka la bakala ro khausi le garibeleki ke tsela go lona wa tsake
motho hanya ke phosho ka Lucy wa tseba
go bona ntubisije Lucy
batho ba rata mabadi
oh tsara ke ntse ba tsara ke ntse ba it's
a rough neck
ke mo frasta
go ya hard boy
mare bile go just pee le diranga Cosmo ka re bone mabane ba mkhawatile se ka re wa saka
I would get I mind my own. It's one for man. Sometimes it's a shit.
Yeah.
I know better or okay some side of
no more.
What get advert to kiss a loose. What
Mara, you know what? I think it also proves.
Mara, you so that you mean.
Sister, let him.
Yeah, it's hey.
Bueno, que es una mucho cara que ya di barquín. Ya es mints.
It's okay, it's more. It's more. Programme va para la creche. Di creche te fa para.
Ramko. Ko bana re kubletsi ka tsaka.
Tswyza. Yero wa go. O graile ya mama olo.
No, thank you so much. You know what? Thank you for having me. Thank you for embracing your own. Yeah. And which is Gela. I get my kids to Gela. Which is Gela film and television most show. So please look for social media. Change your life. We localizing things.
It's
plus 20 better master class.
Yeah. Master.
Yeah. Plus celebrity.
Yeah, c'est l'amour.
No mahelele.
Yo na yo. Ay.